Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U0122, signifies a serious communication breakdown between the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the Vehicle Stability Assist, VSA Modulator-Control Unit. This issue primarily affects the FCAN, which stands for Faulty Controller Area Network, a vital electrical circuit responsible for intra-vehicle communication. When communication is lost, critical vehicle functions, such as stability control, may be impaired, leaving the vehicle susceptible to handling problems. In the specified Honda Odyssey models, it is essential to address this issue promptly to ensure the vehicle runs smoothly and safely. The problem is not mechanical, and the fault lies within the electrical components or connections, making proper diagnostic steps crucial for resolution. The DTC U0122 indicates a malfunction within the FCAN, a communication network vital for relaying information between vehicle modules. The main components affected include the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, and the Vehicle Stability Assist Modulator Control Unit. The PCM is located near the engine compartment and plays a critical role in managing engine operations and overall vehicle performance. The VSA Modulator Control Unit, positioned in the automotive structure, is essential for stability functions, helping to improve traction and control during varying driving conditions. This malfunction suggests that the PCM is unable to communicate effectively with the VSA unit, posing potential issues in handling and safety features. Addressing this communication failure requires a systematic troubleshooting approach to identify and rectify electrical circuit issues. The primary cause of DTC U0122 is an electrical circuit problem associated with the communication lines between the PCM and the VSA Modulator Control Unit. This could manifest as poor connections or loose terminals that disrupt the signal transmission, leading to a lack of communication. Additionally, an outdated software version in the PCM can cause synchronization problems, hindering effective communication within the network. Intermittent failures can also occur, where the system may appear functional at times, further complicating troubleshooting efforts. Identifying these potential causes is critical to effectively resolve the communication issues reflected by the diagnosis and to ensure proper vehicle operation. Common symptoms associated with DTC U0122 include an inoperative stability control system, which may compromise driver safety during maneuvers. Drivers might notice engine performance issues, including irregular power delivery or unresponsive acceleration, as the PCM struggles to communicate with related systems. Furthermore, warning lights are often illuminated on the dashboard, notably the VSA and check engine lights, indicating an underlying issue that requires attention. The loss of functionality in various vehicle control features, such as traction and braking assists, can also occur, presenting a potential hazard during driving. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial, as they serve as indicators that need immediate professional evaluation and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0122 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, ensuring the vehicle is in a state ready for diagnostic testing. Next, it is essential to utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. This action resets the vehicle's computer systems, allowing for a fresh assessment of any lingering issues. After clearing the codes, you should check for any pending or confirmed DTCs in the Powertrain Management Fuel Injection, PCM FI system. If the DTC U0122 appears in this system, it confirms that the issue persists and further specific troubleshooting is necessary. In the second troubleshooting step, you will check for pending or confirmed DTCs in the automatic transmission (AT) system using the HDS. This check is necessary because issues can sometimes stem from the transmission side, potentially implicating other components. If DTC U0122 is indicated here, it signifies that the communication issue may be impacting the AT as well, necessitating deeper investigation into connections and circuits associated with both the PCM and the VSA Modulator-Control unit. However, if DTC U0122 is not present in this system, it suggests an intermittent failure that's not currently active. In this case, the focus should shift to other non-related DTCs that may provide insight into existing vehicle issues. Step 3 involves either updating the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) software to the latest version available or replacing it with a known good PCM. Software versions can affect the functionality of modules, and miscommunication may result from outdated programming. Updating addresses potential software-related causes for the DTC. If updating isn't possible or doesn't resolve the issue, substituting with a confirmed functional PCM can rule out the possibility of a damaged module. After completing these actions, start the engine and allow it to run for at least 2 minutes. This process is essential as it permits the vehicle to reinitialize systems and re-establish communication pathways that may have been interrupted. The fourth troubleshooting step requires rechecking the AT system for the presence of DTC U0122 using the HDS. Should the code resurface, it signifies that communication issues persist and prompts investigation into the connections between the PCM and the VSA Modulator-Control unit. Typically, issues like poor connection integrity or loose terminals are significant contributors to communication breakdowns in automotive systems. This step emphasizes the importance of performing a meticulous inspection of these connections to ensure they are secured and free from corrosion or damage. If, however, no relevant DTCs appear, this indicates that the issue may have been temporarily resolved, allowing for progression to the next troubleshooting steps for validation. In this fifth step, you must monitor the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status for DTC U0122 within the HDS system. This assessment indicates whether any issues with the communication between the components have been resolved. If the status indicates passed, it offers relief that the automotive systems are currently functioning correctly. Depending on whether the PCM was updated or substituted, if DTC U0122 is no longer present, this step marks the completion of troubleshooting. Conversely, if the status indicates failed or not completed, it necessitates revisiting the previous steps focused on electrical connections or terminal integrity. The focus here is to ensure that all systems are communicating effectively and functioning within normal parameters. Final repair verification is crucial to ensure that all communication issues have been fully resolved following the troubleshooting process for DTC U0122. This step involves confirming the effectiveness of repairs made, ensuring all connections between the PCM and the VSA Modulator-Control unit are solid and free from any issues. Once all repairs are conducted, it is necessary to clear any existing DTCs from the system. This action allows for a new diagnostic assessment to confirm that no further issues remain. A thorough final verification gives confidence that the vehicle will perform safely and reliably, restoring functionality to crucial systems like the stability control, which was impaired due to the original DTC. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring that communication systems within the Honda Odyssey remain operational and effective, thus avoiding issues similar to those associated with DTC U0122. Regular inspections of electrical components, particularly connections associated with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the Vehicle Stability Assist, VSA Modulator-Control Unit, can help detect problems before they escalate into major failures. Updating firmware periodically according to manufacturer recommendations helps to mitigate software-related issues that could lead to communication breakdowns. Ensuring that all electrical connections are clean and secure reduces the likelihood of intermittent faults and maintains the reliability of the vehicle's systems. By adhering to these preventive practices, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity and efficiency of their Honda Odyssey. In conclusion, understanding DTC U0122 involves recognizing it as a communication failure between the PCM and VSA Modulator-Control Unit due to an electrical issue. A structured troubleshooting process is critical, beginning with diagnostic checks, followed by addressing potential causes such as software updates and connection integrity. The symptoms associated with the code often undermine vehicle safety and performance. Emphasizing the importance of timely repair, implementing preventive measures through regular inspections and updates will reduce the risk of future occurrences. Ultimately, awareness and proactive diagnosis of such issues lead to improved vehicle reliability and functionality, ensuring a safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.